Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Mac so installation is smooth. Check your Mac OS version and free disk space. VirtualBox needs a 64-bit CPU and adequate storage. Next, download the VirtualBox installer and the extension pack for USB and RDP features. If you use Homebrew or plan kernel modules, install Xcode command line tools now so build tools are available. Once done, close other apps. This minimizes conflicts when kernel drivers load and keeps the installer from prompting repeatedly. Run the VirtualBox PKG installer and authenticate with an administrator password so kernel drivers can be registered. When Mac OS blocks a kernel extension, go to System Settings, then Privacy and Security, and click Allow for the Oracle developer. This step authorizes networking and VM device drivers. After the base install, double-click the extension pack to add USB 2.0/3. 0 and host-only networking features. Make sure to reboot if the installer or Mac OS recommends it. Reboot finalize. Create a new virtual machine, pick the correct OS type, set CPU and RAM, and create a virtual disk of the size you need. Enable EFI only when required and attach an ISO to install the guest OS. If USB, networking, or shared folders fail, revisit security and privacy to reallow extensions and ensure you reboot it after install. One key troubleshooting tip. If VirtualBox fails to start a VM, uninstall and reinstall using an administrator account, then inspect system logs in /var/log for permission or kext load errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.